kids always said to me, "Dad, you don't smile." If we're having a photo taken, I'd never smile. I'd always pull back a little bit. Very chalky teeth, so and like a good person, I didn't look after my teeth like I was told by my mum and dad. So yes, I let them deteriorate. They got to a point that they were very bad. Saw the ad in the paper, and I thought, right, got to do something about my teeth. So we fronted up. The staff there are absolutely brilliant, so good. So, and they put you at ease. And they took me in. They took a couple of X-rays of my teeth just so you could see. And then I spoke to Dr Habibi a bit later on. I went back when I decided I'd have it done, and he gave me all the information about it. So I thought, right, okay. And they just said, you can't drive. So my wife and I went in, and I sat in the chair, and I can't remember too much about what happened, but and the rest is history. So yeah, thank you very much for letting me put a smile back on my face.